I've just opened up an image, in this case a TIFF file, in Windows Photo Viewer, and I find I have a very strong yellow hue to the image. This is after a new installation of the operating system or a upgrade to the operating system, perhaps from 7 to 8 or 8 to 10. How do we resolve this yellow hue? This image is definitely very bright and white. If I view the same image here in Microsoft Paint, we see it's a very white image. The source of this is a color management issue for the display adapter. I'm going to hit the Windows key to bring up the search tool, Cortana, however you want to call it, depending on what version of Windows you're running. And I'm going to type in color management. This is actually one of the control panel tools. And you get the color management dialog. Now, this is related to a color profile that's applied to your system by default, typically as a function of the monitor you have plugged in, and it's just not right. Now, on this computer, I have 4 displays. The steps we're about to take, you'll have to do for each of the displays you have installed. So I'm going to go from 1 to 4, one after another. Now, if you have multiple types of monitors and multiple types of video cards, you may find that you only need to do this on certain displays that have the yellow tint. Others may show white. You have the Identify Monitors button here to resolve that, and we see that this is monitor 3 that you're seeing right now. So I'm going to go through all of them. All of mine are having the issue. I'm going to use my settings for this device. I have to check this to allow me to add a new profile. And the profile we'll add is this sRGB IEC profile. After we've chosen it, if it didn't automatically, we need to set it as a default profile. Advance to the next display. There's that Samsung one again. Allow me add sRGB. OK. And I have to set it as default. Moving on to the next display. And rinse and repeat. All right, once you've set all those, you can close the dialog. Now, if you just revisit the Windows Photo Viewer, you'll still see the yellow hue. You have to close the program and then reopen it. So open image with Windows Photo Viewer, and now we see a nice white, bright image. Hope this has been helpful to you. Go do it.